Hi traders, we are in the London session. I just sold gold and I want to tell you why I decided to open this trade and you can do the same. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame because I start every analysis with higher time frames. We mark the last high and last low. Here we have the last high, here we have the last low, and we find the 50% level. We can see that the market is ascending, so understand that with higher probability the market will move in a upward direction. So now I consider only buying, but taking into account that the market does not move in one movement but creating higher high and higher lows, and now we are in the movement of formation of the last high, I understand that the market to continue grow first must fall and form a new higher low. Exactly on this correction I am going to make money. So here I will sell on the lower time frames, and when we reach the discount zone here, I'll consider only buying in the direction of the trend. I hope you understand the principle, but if not, write your question in the comment below, I'll be sure to answer you. Once we have determined the direction of the market on the higher time frame, I move to the 15 minutes time frame to look for an entry. I trade only during the session because there is a lot of liquidity during the session. I don't want to sit in a market for days or weeks, I need quick trade for a few hours at most. So we are now at the beginning of the London session. In order to enter a trade, I need to see a liquidity hit. This is most important thing I need to enter a trade. Let's take a closer look at what happened at this point. Before the session start, we create liquidity. This is where traders are likely to place their stop orders, and the moment the session start, the price rose very quick and hit this liquidity. This moment may be bigger, may be smaller, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is that we hit it. For me, it already means that we have collect liquidity and we are ready to fail. I know what the market direction is, I know where we are going, and that's why I open a trade at this moment. All I have to do now is just wait.